처음에는 땀이 많이 나서 이제 가려워서 땀이 차서 이제 긁는 줄 알았는데 나중에 이제 점점 갈수록 그 정도가 심해지더라고요. 긁는 게 이제 피가 나는 정도로 심하게 긁게 돼서 병원에 오게 됐어요.
Imagine if you got sick as a child and stayed ill for your entire life. A depressing thought, isn't it? Unfortunately, some people do suffer from such chronic diseases. Atopic dermatitis is one such affliction. It is not life-threatening, but the emotional distress can be devastating. Oriental medicine treats atopic dermatitis by closely monitoring the patient's lifestyle.
The most important distinction of atopic dermatitis is that it attacks patients regardless of their age. Some patients suffer from this disease for their entire lives. Atopic dermatitis makes the patient's face or some part of his skin red, dry, or cracked. Above all, the patients feel very itchy. The symptom is classified into 3 categories according to the age. Babyhood atopic dermatitis appears from 2 months old to 2 years old. The patients feel itchy and specks appear with blisters. When these blisters break, a scab forms over the skin. Boyhood atopic dermatitis appears from 2 to 10 years old. Inside of elbows, behind the knees and wrists are the main sites affected by this disease. The skin is dry and itchy. Adulthood atopic dermatitis appears chiefly on hands and feet. The affected skin turns scaly and blisters, or becomes rough and thick. In this case, eye area as well as the affected skin turns black because of pigments. In Oriental medicine, atopic dermatitis is called neson, and we usually say 태독 or 태열. It is because Oriental medicine understands that atopic dermatitis appears on unborn babies inside the mother's body or during birth. Then, what will be the etiology?
According to Oriental medicine, prenatal care and the mother's health when giving birth are factors of atopic dermatitis. Can you tell us more about this?
아토피성 피부염은 한방에서
Yes.
태열 또는 태독이라고
Atopic
부릅니다.
dermatitis is
그
called
태라고
태열
하면서 그게
or
두 가지
태독.
의미가 있는데
The
그러면
word 태 has
어머니의
2 meanings.
유전자를 아이가 그대로
One is that a
갖다
child
오는
inherits
신앙을
genes
지어요.
from the mother.
어머니의
The other
태동이거나
is that
아니면
food,
때
stress, and the
어머니의
environment the mother
음식이라든지
experiences during the
스트레스,
viviparous period
아니면 환경에
cause or
따라
worsen the
아이한테
atopic dermatitis of the
아토피를
child.
악화시키거나 유발시킬 수 있다고 하는 것입니다. 그리고 열이나 독이라고 하는 것은
And
아이의
열
피부
or
상태를
독
나타내는 것인데
means the condition
피부가
of the
항열이
child's
들어가고
skin.
그다음에 진물이
In the
나타나고
case of
또
열 or
벗겨지는
독,
그런
the
상태를
child's skin
열이나 독의
throbs
상태로
with heat,
표현했습니다. 그래서
oozes, or
표현은
peels.
태열,
So the
태독이라고
disease is
부르는
called
것입니다.
태열 or 태독.
The skin of Taeum person is thick, dull, and rough. So Taeum person is susceptible to skin disease due to metabolism disorder or circulation disorder. Taeyang person has soft, tender skin which has strong natural healing power. So Taeyang person is rarely attacked with skin disease. The skin of Soyang person is thin, white, and less shiny. Thus, lots of Soyang persons suffer from skin disease such as atopic dermatitis. Soham person has white, soft, and shiny skin, but the personality of Soham person is very delicate and tends to have skin disease such as atopic dermatitis, which gets worse due to stress.
Atopic dermatitis is very hard to cure. Oriental medicine takes 2 different approaches. The first is by improving the general constitution of the patient with herbal remedies and acupuncture. The second is strictly controlling the patient's environment.
According to Oriental doctors, it is said that most of the atopic dermatitis patients are emotionally unstable, aggressive, and very proud. Thus, it is very important to stabilize a patient's mind in curing atopic dermatitis. Controlling living habits, environment, and food are very difficult for individual patients to do. Oriental doctors make patients record a paper called Atopic Dermatitis Patients Control Guide and ask the protectors to help the patients.
지금 이 아이 같은 경우는
In this girl's case, the level of immunoglobulin is very high. The disease has penetrated very deeply. To resolve the itching, we apply acupuncture therapy. The acupuncture site is on the inside of the wrist, the back of the hands, and on the face, where the boyhood atopic dermatitis frequently appears.
그 부분에 침을 놓을 겁니다. 자, 왼쪽으로 놓을 겁니다.
We'll apply it to the left side.
이제 오른쪽 팔로 놓을 거고요.
We'll apply it to the right arm.
아이는 전혀 통증은 없거든요.
The acupuncture is applied to the site where the patient feels itchy, and the patient does not feel pain.
됐습니다.
Acupuncture therapy reduces the sensitivity of the itching and helps the resuscitation of damaged skin. If this therapy is applied with medical therapy, the effect will be more powerful. While acupuncture therapy is applied centering around the itching area, herbal medicine therapy is applied according to the symptoms. 목단피, 비해, 의인 are prescribed for babyhood atopic dermatitis, which is oozing and moist. 서각지황탕, a mixture of 황금, 승마, 서각, is prescribed for boyhood, adulthood atopic dermatitis. 사물탕, a mixture of 천궁, 당귀, 백작약, 숙지황, is prescribed to improve physical composition of boyhood and adulthood atopic dermatitis patients with dry skin.
There's a term in Oriental medicine, 평인, which means to be at peace with oneself. This state can be achieved when all our organs are in perfect balance. Oriental medicine aims to cure atopic dermatitis by achieving this balance, both mental and physical. We hope you enjoyed the show today. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.